Hey you all, good afternoon. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim, and today we have mail call. I won't tell you, or I won't show the address, but this is straight from Moyock, North Carolina. Richard, the Moyock Scorpion Woodworks, is a good friend of the channel. Richard is one of those guys who's just super supportive, super encouraging, and just does a lot of good stuff within our community. And he's a dang good woodworker himself, and from what I understand, a wise man doesn't bet him on the golf course. So Richard sent us a nice little letter. Jim, here are a few stickers for you. Hope you have an awesome day. Keep up the wonderful work. Respectfully, Rich, aka Moyock Scorpion. Sir, thank you very much. This channel exists because of the encouragement of you and the Bearded Viking and so many others in our community. So I, without any further ado, I'm going to add Mr. Richard's sticker to our sticker board. One moment. Alright, now come off there. Alrighty, so I'm going to hang it right here so I can not wanting to hang today, so we will go over here and try and get hey, there we go. We'll get over here. You can't see anything that way. I fight with the backing on these stickers every one I get. I'm not going to stop getting them, so I need to learn a trick. I guess this is cheating, but I always think if you're not cheating, you're not really trying. Alrighty. So we are going to put the Moyock Scorpion right here next to White's Woodworks. Y'all play nice. And so, up to now, you can see that we have Bobby Builds It, LJ Woodworks, nice sticker from the Shops, got Old Path, got White's Woodworking, Bice Family Tree, One Drum Creations by Amy, that's Resonating Art by Amy M, and we got Moyock Scorpion Woodworks. So thank you, Mr. Richard, and I'm going to go hang this back where it goes, and I will see you all in the next video.